All right, so first thing you're going to want to do is if your device is powered on, we're going to want to shut it off by hitting your power button right here. And then if you are using the carry bag, of course, we need to take the carry bag off as first. So those are the first two steps. The second step you're going to want to do is remove the battery from the device. So that's the part that's okay on the bottom of the machine. If you go to this side, you're going to notice the latch here. Pull that down and slide that off towards the back of the concentrator. So that's how you remove the battery. It's going to be easiest if you place it on the side to remove these, but for the sake of this video and so you can see it better, I'm going to keep mine upside down like this. So right here is so it'll be this black piece of plastic that's right here. And you're going to want to grab the wrench that is located in your Rove 4 column that I've purchased or gotten underneath warranty, and stick that into the hole here. And you're going to want to spin it counterclockwise. And you'll see the Rove 4 columns starting to rise up, and you'll notice at some point they stop. So you can remove that and pull your Rove 4 columns up and out of your Rove 4 concentrator and set them aside. The next thing you're going to want to do is you'll notice, so these are our brand new columns. They're going to have some plugs located on the bottom of the columns. So right here, they're gray. We need to remove both of those and set them aside. And there's also going to be two on the top. And I will let you know that these are the ones that are most frequently forgot about because they blend in with the columns. So these need to be removed as well. So you should have in total 4 pieces that you remove off of those. What I see happen a lot with the Rove 4 is the top of these columns caps get stuck in the Rove 4 because people try to force it in when they forget to leave the column caps off. So just make sure that you take both off the top and then the plugs off the bottom. And now we're ready to insert this into our Rove 4. So we're going to just reverse what we just did and put those into our Rove 4 and grab our Allen wrench again, insert it into the hole, and now go clockwise. And you'll notice them going into the concentrator, and you'll start to feel some resistance and stop right there. These are plastic, so just remember, do not force them. Do not put a lot of muscle into this. They just have to be finger tight, and that's all they need to be when installing these. So now we can flip your device over, and we're going to leave the device off because we're not done quite yet. We're going to plug in our AC power supply to our concentrator. It should beep and light up at us. And again, with the unit still powered off, we're going to press and hold down both the plus and minus button at the same time to do what we call a column reset. So here, I'll do it for us. So I'll push it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here you're seeing that column with kind of the arrows going around it. So that's letting us know that we want to do the column reset. And then to confirm, we're going to hit the bell button. So the screen went dim, but you can see there's a check mark now, and that lets us know the column reset was complete. So now we can hit the power button. So that clears that off. And from here, if you're not going to do the particle filters, you're good to power back up and put the battery back on and use your concentrator. But for right now, we're going to replace the particle filters. So I'm going to lay it on its side. And we're going to take the particle filter, which there's one on this side and one also on this side. We're going to take it and slide it out the bottom of the machine. And you can see this one is pretty dirty. It's got dust and debris caught in it. And same with this one. So it just slides out the bottom of the machine again. You'll hear it kind of click. And we'll get our new particle filter, and we're just going to do the exact opposite. So we're going to take it from the bottom of the machine and slide it up into it. And you'll hear a little click on that side. And then the same over here. Let's see through the bottom and into the concentrator. Again, this is Mark with Main Clinic Supply, and I hope this video was helpful in helping to maintain your Inogen Rove 4 concentrator.